I'm placing the sacred Reiki symbol Sei He Ki onto your being. Let's get rid of those bonds between you and the people who no longer serve your highest goods, and toss it into dragon's fire. The dragon's fire will transmute all the negative energies into energies of your highest goods. And by the end of this session, we are going to send that energy right back to you. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release. All the energy cords to people who no longer serve you is now gone. And we are sending the transmuted energies for your highest goods right back to you now. I'm going to seal in your energies with the Double Cho Ku Rei.